Wiley's breath smells like Fritos.
I don't know why, but his head is shaped like a Dorito.
He's so fat, his body shaped like a burrito.
Wiley's paws are a bit shaped like Cheetos.
I don't know why, but Clay is so gay.
Josh talks like someone hit him with the gay spray.
Aiden's so gay, he calls other boys his baby.
Jada acts like she's a little cray-cray.
Funny thing to say coming from AJ.
Clay smells like a fart.
Oh my god, tweet!
Somebody tell me why Uncle's built like a shopping cart.
Maybe you shouldn't have gotten kidnapped off of Walmart. Alonzo looks like a strawberry Pop-Tart.
That's why Wiley's eyes be filled with hearts.
Choo-choo train!
My mom was on the Polar Express cause she's bipolar.
Lila was so fat.